Custom design time appearance of controls. How to make a control have a different look at design time. Sometimes a control needs to appear differently at design time to how they do at runtime. This different appearance is often to indicate something to the developer, which will be irrelevant to a runtime user. The standard approach to achieving this goal is to add additional code in the OnPaint method public class MyControl, control public override void OnPaint, object sender, PaintEventArgs, / normal painting here if DesignMode, / design time painting here / draw a rectangle around a control. While this works fine, it is not ideal. Here we are mixing runtime and design time code. Also, take into account what might happen if another control descends from this class and overrides OnPaint public class MyOtherControl, MyControl public override void OnPaint, object sender, PaintEventArgs, / call base, which draws a rect around a control base. OnPaint, sender, / some code which will draw over the rectangle. What we really need is a way of drawing to the graphics object after the OnPaint method has finished completely, and also only during design time. The solution lies in the Control Designer class, and the Designer attribute. Public class MyControl Designer, system.windows.forms.design.control Designer public override void OnPaint adornments, PaintEventArgs, / design time painting here / draw a rectangle around a control. Then, we just associate MyControl Designer with the MyControl class. Note how the OnPaint method no longer has any design time painting in it. System.componentModel.designer, type of mynamespace.mycontrol designer, public class MyControl, control public override void OnPaint, object sender, PaintEventArgs, / normal painting here.